TradingView discount tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you about TradingView and how you can use it. So let's get into it. So first things first, what you want to do is you want to scroll down to the description, click the link, and you'll be able to come over here, and here you will be able to sign up using that link as well. Of course, I already have an account. As you can see over here, you can sign up using the Google social or any of the socials that are available, and once your account is created, you should be good to go. Then they'll basically ask you to go ahead and purchase one of the plans. It's not free. You can see right here, if I come over here, click on the upgrade now button, I'll need to select one of these 4 plans. You can see they're quite expensive. That is why we have provided a discount code in the description below. So make sure you check it out and you'll be able to sign up. It's as simple as that. And over here you have the super chart where you can go ahead and, see all of the properties that are available. We have stocks, bonds, ETFs, crypto. We got future trading as well. Everything is available over here. So make sure you check it out. So it's quite simple. And this is the chart right here. You can see we have all of the properties available. Here we can select between them on the search bar. Click on it. We can search for any symbol we want, any company we want. Let me just get rid of that. You can see right here we've got NASDAQ, Bitcoin, Nvidia, Gold, Infinity, Tesla. We've got all these different companies that are available. We even got Amazon as well. We can see right here, Ethereum, Microsoft, and a bunch of other companies as well. We got stocks, funds, futures, forex, crypto, bonds, economy, all of them. So you can go ahead and check that out. So it's as simple as that. Make sure you check the link in the description below and sign up onto TradingView. So thank you for watching, and until next time, take care and goodbye.